Whatever you do, don't blink, because in the next 180 seconds, we're going to open your eyes to the most amazing QAD data management solutions. These solutions not only give you a faster and easier way to manage your business data, they are also completely safe to use with QAD, and they keep your data's accuracy and integrity completely intact. No one has to tell you that managing ERP data is tough. Really tough. It's crazy complex, ridiculously time-consuming, and significantly burdens your bottom line. The truth is, you don't have to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune to get the most from your powerful QAD ERP system. There is a revolutionary suite of data management solutions that will turn you into a QAD data management superhero. Alrighty then, don't blink, because we're about to show you the name of the amazing suite of products that's gonna totally change your life. Well, QAD-wise anyway. Presenting Data Loaders for QAD ERP from 32Soft. Data loaders are absolutely amazing. They handle the most complex data management tasks without breaking a sweat, as they triple your data processing productivity and turn your everyday QAD user into a super user, accomplishing days' worth of work in minutes. Data loaders are super affordable and produce a lightning-fast ROI that senior managers will love. And they don't require IT staff to spend time wrestling with tedious data management and cumbersome SIM uploads. Plus, data loaders are safe, risk-free, and reliably ensure the integrity of your irreplaceable business information. How do we do it? Well, in a nutshell, our software allows you to easily download your QAD data into a standard Excel spreadsheet, where you can manage complex data additions, changes, and deletions before securely uploading it right back into QAD. And it's all done using QAD's native business logic, so you'll enjoy total peace of mind regarding all changes made in Excel. Well, that's it. We hope you didn't blink and miss any of this fast-paced news about data loaders from 32Soft. So don't delay. Experience firsthand this amazing QAD data management software. Order your free 60-day trial now. Or call or visit our website to register for a no-obligation webinar and to be added to our email list to be informed of future webinars.